As National Ambassador Designate for National Values and Principles of Zambia, I wish to sound a warning to all the impositors who come to our country in the name of investors and visitors, the business community, and people who come for particular intentions, and yet they have some selfish motives and intentions to serve as spies, agents, and individuals who are after information in our country. I wish to categorically state that not all who claim to be refugees living in our country are genuine refugees. Of all the over 90,000 who are living in our country as refugees, some are not innocent at all. Recently in our country, we have had deaths that have been recorded whose perpetrators have remained unknown. These are snipers and killers who are agents of some countries who are sent with a specific mission to eliminate people who are perceived to be potential individuals to dislodge the legitimate governments somewhere. It is unfortunate that among the deaths that have been recorded in Zambia involving refugees, only those who originate and hail from Rwanda are perceived to be victims, and they are the ones oftentimes who are killed. And not only here in Zambia, but we have had such killings in Malawi, in Zimbabwe, South Africa, and other surrounding nations. It is for that reason that we wish to warn and caution such perpetrators, especially those agents from the Rwandan government who aim at eliminating those they suspect to be posing a threat to their government. We also want to mention that genuine refugees have no relationship and association with the embassies of their native countries. However, we have some people who are coming into our country with some passports and authority from their country, and some are being given loans and grants to begin operating some businesses in Zambia as if they are investors, and yet they are sent in this country as agents. We would like to take this opportunity to remind all the security wings of our country, including the immigration and the special branch and the Zambia police, to be wary of such individuals who are representing a selfish government somewhere. It is also important for the select committee that is appointed at Ministry of Home Affairs under the Department of the Commissioner for Refugees to ensure that they scrutinize individuals who apply for asylum and refugee status in Zambia. Because of such ones who are impositors, we need to ensure that only people who meet the genuine criteria and requirements should be admitted as refugees. The provision of harboring refugees is a noble one, and it is only meant to cater for genuine refugees and those who are victims of war, ethnic conflicts, political violence, and some other turbulences taking place in surrounding nations. Hence, this arrangement must not be abused at all. And it is unfortunate that such impositors are denting the name and the reputation of genuine refugees who are seeking asylum in our country genuinely. Thank you.